What's up, guys? Long time no see. The project is moving forwards slowly but steady. Let's have a look what we have done. So as you can see, we have made a lot of progress. The BMW fairing is on. Seat is not mounted yet. The X11 tank came from France. It took like 7 weeks to come. It has a little dent. Maybe not so little, but we are going to fix it. It was way worse than that, but we already got it a little up. I made 5 cm spacers for the foot pegs, so the chain line can go from here and doesn't destroy your legs. So this gear shaft also needs offset piece for it. The 333 is ready. For now the top yoke is in machining again, so I can fit the handlebars on it. I had to cut down this fender and I need to make new top for this. Front wheel axle is almost done. It only needs a little bushing here. Brake lines and clutch line came from Hell Performance in this carbon fiber loop. Same lines for rear caliper. I bought this double banjo bolt with pressure center, so we can forget the annoying spring systems down here. The old gas cables were not long enough, so I bought ones from Honda Pan Europan. So let's throw them on. And they are on. They are just bulky AF, so I'm not sure, maybe too much length, but I need to hide that extra length on somewhere. I also got this Tigon tubing to replace the rear brake reservoir. So let's cut this and hit that on place. So here's that mounted. Might not use this bracket. It looks so fucking idiot. I also bought this Yoshimura Tricon silencer, which is going here. And one of 4 of these oil line fittings is also ready. 3 to go, and then we can attach the oil cooler maybe here, and the lines and bike is ready to run. To fit this tank I still need to make bracket here and then swap the fuel, what the hell it is, you know. And then I need to do some more modifications down below, because this tank doesn't fit with the carburetor airbox, because this is meant to be with jetted bird, or how the hell you call it, EFI, something like that, the newer models. Then I thought something like this for the bench. Maybe doing that from fiberglass. It is kinda small for my fat ass, but I believe I can drive with it. With that, the side profile looks pretty good, even though it's not on the same angle as the rear seat. So I wanted to talk about motivation. It's been like a couple of months after the last video, and we have been waiting and waiting and waiting for parts for especially that fuel tank, which came from France, took 7 weeks to come. So we haven't had any parts, and because we haven't had any parts, we had to do something from there, something from here. You know, it's not kind of doing anything properly or doing anything from start to finish. It's like everything is hanging, and I believe you don't want to watch the video where I do kind of a bit everything and don't finish nothing. That sucks. And there's also a second reason. I have a 5 years old Lenovo's laptop, which is really not meant to be for editing videos. So it takes a goddamn long time to process the videos. And the Filmora editing program doesn't even run good on that computer. So editing those videos is like a pain in the ass every time. Also, I took these videos with my cell phone. My tripod broke down. Always when I want to film something, it's kind of a fighting to find the spots and how to attach your phone on there and that and so on. I hope that you understand. I'm trying to improve bit by bit, and it's now past midsummer in Finland, and you already saw what the blackbird looks like. I realized that I'm not going to ride it this summer. So, how to solve the problem? I bought a Harley Davidson. A dream come true. I don't know if you like these kind of Harleys, but I like a lot. Let's have a look. So here it is. Harley Davidson Road King 2002 model. 1500 cc's. Almost like original, it has Lepera single seat, highway bars, ape hangers for towing because it had a bat wing on it. Screaming Eagle air cleaner with K&N filter on it. Some small blinkers on front. And that's about it. So the Harley is going to be a bike for riding, but after we have finished the Blackbird, maybe this gets some custom modifications. And I like Chicano style backers a lot. So if you want to see that happening, tell me down in the comments, hit that subscribe button and like for this video, and stay tuned.